enormous structure. This guy said, oh, that's a machine. No, that is not a damn machine. That's just a structure. And it goes down. It has a two sphere on the right, on the left, two sphere on the top, and one on the very top, and several around the several rings. This dude is just blind, man. I mean, just like every other so-called investigator. They just look at one thing and they don't see anything else. And around that thing, there's all kinds of stuff. My goodness, look at that. I mean, it's just covered. Not an inch was a spare. Look at that. Look at this part right there. I mean, it's just one next to the other, next to the other, on top of the other, around the other. My goodness. You won't get bored. I can guarantee you that. And if you do this on every single image of the Apollo, any of them, and the orbiters, lower the brightness, the backlight, look at that bright deal. That deal had to be energized big time. Look at that. Just that NASA tampered with the images so you won't see anything unless you know the truth, and you know what to look for and how to look for it. Look at that. See. Look at that, man. And there is a, what's the name of that so-called crater that is super bright. So he said, oh, that's a machine, really. And you know that because you were inside that shit. That ain't no machine, that's a structure. Surrounded by a freaking rim filled with structures every which way, all around it. Look at that. What do you think is that? I know what that is. It's a freaking hand. I can use my hand to show you exactly what that is like. You won't believe it. It's a hand like this, and it has another hand like this. You can see the finger wrapping around that hand like this. But it is a hand like this. Look, the thumb and the index and the other fingers are, but it's always like that, and it's like that everywhere. That's this. All those things are built with that symbol on it. That's what I say. Once you discover this truth, and you can see every freaking where, including galaxy, nebula, planet, moon, even the sun. On the stereo images of Soho, you can see that symbol built on it, on everything. And that's the freaking truth. Look, there's another freaking sample of that hand right there. right here. It's always that. It's like that has to be done that way no matter what. So my question is this thing made by a god or a demon took over the entire deal? Because it's hard to believe that everything has that symbol on it, everything, including clouds on Earth. It's all like that. You can look at every single cloud and it has that symbol built on it. And that is difficult, very, very difficult to grasp or accept or even consider. I'm not gonna try to convince anybody. Look it up yourself. Do the work. Don't let other asses tell you. Do the work. I give you the idea. Look it up. Two other guys that does investigation and they know how to work images came back and showed me, man, you were right. You were right. That's what I've been finding everywhere. I can send you, anybody that watches this video, write to me and ask me who are those people, and I'll send you with their website full of images. And these are guys that know how to work the Photoshop. I don't. All I do is a simple deal. Lower the brightness on the image and use my eyes and my mind. These investigators don't read. They don't put the things together. Look at this big rectangle right here. Oops. It's all like that. It's this. Look, right there. And that rectangle is subdividing in smaller rectangles or squares. Boom. Then you have another division. But it's three-dimensional. This thing is not just flat, it's deep and diagonal, and it goes in every which way, but it's all organized because the moon is built in bands. I already showed that before. I have a video about that, moon banding. That was discovered by Joseph P. Skipper from MarsAnomalyResearch.com. Unfortunately, he wouldn't consider about the entities. For some reason, he thinks it's only they're done by machines and that's it. Well, who the hell control the machine? Think about it. He wouldn't even consider watching Dr. Berggrun's presentation for some reason for narcissism. And that's the problem with the investigators. Oh, what I say is the best, I'm the best. Well, dumbass, you're not God, you don't know everything, I don't know everything. But you start looking at everything else, everybody else is working, you start seeing the pattern. You have to conclude there's certain things there that are constant. That thing about the hands, none of them will even consider talking about that or even looking at it because they're narcissistic asses, personalities, their egos. Another thing, they're selfish. They don't want them for you to use their image, for you to show them what they're not looking at. And that's a problem. We're divided. And that's what the military-industrial complex and the other assets, bankers and shit that control the world, use it. Divide and conquer. as long as that is the case, the human race will be always a slave from some assholes that knows the truth and they control shit that we all have to follow because we don't want to get together. If we unite this planet, there will be no wars, and all the material and effort and shit to build weapons will be used to build things to help the human race and heal the planet. They have free energy already, long time ago. That dude, Stan Deyo, oh my God, a presentation he did about anti-gravity and how free energy is, and he showed it. But nobody else follow up. It's the ego, man. Our ego is killing us. You have to love your fellow human unconditionally and stop killing and eating meat, killing animals and eating meat. Oh no, I'm gonna let my meat, no. I have to have my steak. Really? So you eating carcasses that are giving you colon cancers and bad shit and shorten your life, plus you're making animals suffer. And all that shit, all of that has karma, man. And those are the laws of the universe, divine laws of the universe. That hand is what that is. The hand of the Creator, and is holding the divine laws of the universe, the cylinder that contains those laws. The laws are physical, chemical, spiritual, all of them. We don't want to go there because we are no mind developed. We're still in the prehistoric brain, still there. And the education that we get is shitty. It's education designed by the people that are keeping us as slaves. We live in a freaking feudal system, in a plantation system type. Oh, you work, you pay your taxes, and shut the hell up. Get up the next day to work. Shut up, motherfucker. And that's how it is. But it's because we allow that to happen. Why should we be a war with some Chinese ass or some Russian ass? If they're all exactly like us. It's our leaders, the ones that are causing the problems. We got shitty leaders. And these bankers and shit institutions that we didn't ask for, they're keeping us down. You dare to talk to look what happened to Leonard Watson. That man has been harassed with helicopters and shit. Even they send people to follow him up to harass him and threaten him. Same thing with Bruce, the guy that posted shit about the reptilians. Why they don't allow the Anunnaki movie to be produced and shown? Because that is the truth. They don't want, and we don't do shit. All we do is nobody want to say anything. And nobody wants to cooperate with, oh, don't touch my fucking video because you're gonna monetize that shit, or blah, 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 blah. Fuck your video, man. You show shit and you don't know what the hell you're looking at. What is wrong with you, man? Look at this ass from security team. He posts some kick-ass shit, but he doesn't know what the hell he's posting or what the hell the deal is about. And the same thing goes for every other ones. Richard Hoagland or the other fucker. Oh no, what I know is what it is. No, you don't. But don't touch my video, motherfucker.